Today presenting on a video correlation and regression. What is the correlation? The correlation a measure of association between two numerical variables, a quantity relations between two variables, and measure and describe the strength and direction of the relationship. The examples: positive correlation. That typically in the summer as the temperature increases, people are thirstier. Specific example: for a 7 random summer days, a person recorded the temperature and their water consumption during the 3-hour period spent outside. This is the table for temperature and water consumption. If 75 temperature, water consumption is 16. If 83 is the temperature, water consumption is 20. If 85, water consumption is 25. If 85, water consumption is 27. If temperature is 92, water consumption is 32. If temperature is 97, water consumption is 48. If temperature is 99, water consumption is 48. How could you describe the graph? This is a water consumption based on the temperature. Uh, The simplest method to access relationship between two quantitative variables is to draw a scatter diagram. As the age increases, there is a general tendency for the BP to increases, but this does not give us a quantitative estimate for the degree of the relationship. A scatter plots and types of correlation, where x equal to hours of training, y equal to number of accidents. This is the graph. Y-axis is the accident, x-axis is the hour of training. Negative correlation: as x increases, y decreases. This is the positive correlation graph. As x increases, y also increases. In the y-axis there is a GPA, in the x-axis max stat. This is a non-linear correlation graph. How strong is the linear relationship? Water consumption based on the temperature. Here y-axis water consumption, here x-axis temperature graph. Measuring the relationship, the Pearson sample correlation coefficient R. The correlation coefficient is an index of the degree of the association between two variables. Measure the direction and the strength of the linear association between two numerical paired variables. Correlation coefficient R, a measure of the strength and direction of a linear relationship between two variables. R equal, this is the formula for correlation of coefficient R. N summation xy minus summation x into summation y divided by square root of n into summation x square minus summation x whole square into root of n summation y square minus summation y whole square. The range of R is from -1 to 1. If -1, R is close to -1, there is a strong negative correlation. If R is close to 0, there is no linear correlation. If R is close to 1, there is a strong positive correlation. High values of one variable tend to occur with high value of other and low with low. In such situation, we say that there is a positive correlation. High values of one variable occur with low values of other and vice versa. We say that there is a negative correlation. Thank you.